Hi there everyone, my name is Brooklyn Allen, and this is my presentation of the Greek mathematician Diophantus of Alexandria. Biography. As far as Diophantus' personal life is concerned, not much is known given the time period. Diophantus was a Hellenistic Greek who was born at Alexandria, Egypt, sometime in the early 3rd century, roughly between 200 and 214 AD. Some historians speculate that it is possible he was either Jewish or Chaldean, however that is a debated subject. What is known can be found from an epitaph written by his close friend Metrodorus. In the figure displayed in the bottom right corner is the epitaph that only upon deciphering can reveal the statistics of Diophantus' life. From the epitaph it is understood that he died at age 84, married at 33, and had his first son at age 38. While it may seem like a mere math equation, the context within is actually quite interesting. Historical background. The crisis of the 3rd century refers to the near collapse of the Roman Empire. During this time, the Roman Empire was experiencing political, militaristic, and economical instability, as well as the pressure of foreign forces over its extended territory. The Visigoths from the north, and the Persians and the Huns from the east led several campaigns against the fragile Romans. In addition to the invasions and the anarchy, the empire was suffering from a civil war and the spreading of the deadly Siberian plague. As a result, the empire split into 3 states: the Palmyrene, the Gallic, and the Roman Empire. Within a span of 50 years, nearly 30 emperors led, however they were either usurped or assassinated during their reign. Within the Greco-Roman city of Alexandria, Egyptian education, militarism, trade, and religion were major contributors to the success and wealth of this Roman stronghold. The city of Alexandria was the center of Greek culture as well as the Christian church. These conflicting practices of traditional mythological beliefs and the spread of Christianity created issues amongst scholars, rulers, and the individual citizens. Mathematical contributions. Diophantus is commonly referred to as the father of polynomials or as the father of algebra. He is widely known as the author of the mathematical ingenuity published in the treatise Arithmetica. Diophantus discovered Diophantine equations and Diophantine approximations. According to the Complete Dictionary of Scientific Biography, in the figure below, Diophantus continued on to develop algebraic notations and symbols. And the figure off to your right is the cover of the Arithmetica book. Arithmetica. Diophantus' Arithmetica is a list of about 128 algebraic problems that include the solutions. In it, he introduced algebraic manipulations on equations, including a symbol for each unknown number or variable. Although most of his methods were known to his Babylonian and Egyptian predecessors, his symbols allowed for clearer solutions and to consider more complicated problems. In the top figure off to the right, you can see the symbolic notations that Diophantus developed and how it is translated to modern mathematics today. For example, the equal sign, you can see how Diophantus used it as a Greek symbol, but however today it is the 2 parallel lines. In the 2 figures below, there are examples of polynomials that stem from the teachings of Diophantus. Within it, one can notice the trends of his ingenuity and how it is used today, from the coefficients to the variables to even the symbolic notation. And this is my Works Cited page. Thank you for following along. Hope you enjoyed!